We've seen wearables for activity tracking, for breathing, swimming, you know, smart band, heart rate, you name it. But this bracelet, or should I say Basslet, is really out of this world. So in theory, it's a Basslet because it goes around your wrist and it delivers bass right to your body. So you might think that's kind of weird, and first off, I thought it was, but when I started trying it, I was really impressed by how accurate it was. So first off, it's a little square that rests on your wrist with 2 silicone bands. So what happens is the entire square will vibrate to the sound of the music. And how it works is there's another little toggle that connects to your phone via the aux in, and you can also charge it via micro USB, or you can plug in your headphones with another aux cable. So what happens is you don't need any apps, you don't need any drivers. As long as you can plug it, you can play it. When you play your music, you know, be it hip hop or pop or rap music, whatever it is, as long as there's a lot of bass, a lot of low tones, you're gonna get a variation of different vibrations. So it's not just one vibration, it's not like hitting a drum and kind of feeling it. There's a lot of different, very nuanced feelings you get with the band. And what I find is that at first, it's just your wrist, and sometimes it's just that section of the wrist that feels like it's vibrating. But over time, you get used to the sensation, and it starts to transfer almost seamlessly to the rest of your body. And in the end, you don't even notice that you're wearing this bracelet. User cases, I would say, you know, someone who's really into bass music, really into hip hop, really into something that would have a lot of bass, or if you, you know, you're listening on your commute and you don't want to crank up your headphones because that's going to hurt your ears, this will actually add to the music experience. Also, if you suffer from hearing loss, you know, either in the low tones or, you know, you just want to have that participation in the music, the Basslet is also another great option. Another case that I can think of is possibly when you're dancing, right? Because you can feel the beats and everything. And this also works for gamers. So it's not just music, it's also sound effects that have a lot of low tone as well. So when you're, you know, playing a game, you're immersed, this will add a bit more to it. And so this is not a cheap device. It's going to retail for about $130 US, but for the experience it does provide, and I have to say it's unlike other wearables we usually get, this works really well. It's really just a plug and play, and it's really, you're wearing a subwoofer on your wrist. So if you're looking for something like this, you want to enhance your bass experience, check out the Basslet.